From the drying room, the skins move here to the production line, where our team ensures every iguana meets our strict quality standards before tanning. Welcome to the facility. As you can see behind me, our streamlined process handles hundreds of iguanas daily, turning them into high-quality leather products.
Scans on batch 7 are showing accelerated growth.
I've adjusted the humidity levels in the lower.
Keep the spray steady, especially near the head. They need to be completely clean before the next phase. The sensor reading on the tablet shows the drum rotation is slightly off sync. Let me adjust the frequency drive right here.
We have 300 units ready to ship. Confirmed, the manifest matches the pallet count.
The texture on this blue one is perfect.
Yes, but check the stitching on the green one here.
Behind every luxury item is a world-class supply chain, delivered with speed and efficiency.
According to the data here, we've increased efficiency by 15%.
That aligns with the throughput we're seeing at the docks.
According to the manifest, these containers need to be prioritized for the afternoon shipment.
I see that. I'll inform the team to expedite the loading process.
All clear on Bay 4. Proceed with the next lift.
Confirmed. Moving to position now. Over.
It's absolutely perfect. I love it.
All right, clear the deck. Bring the next load up.
It's absolutely perfect. I love it.
All right, clear the deck. Bring the next load up.
This limited edition piece truly represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship.
It's absolutely stunning in person.
This model features our signature lizard skin strap, exceptionally durable.
Oh, it's exquisite. Does it come in emerald green?
Be sure to subscribe, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look.
For more content like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.